excited because this weekend I am hosting an open house at 145 West Main Street in Norton, Massachusetts. This home, I cannot wait to show it to you guys because it is amazing and beautiful. It is humongous. It's just everything. I'm not even gonna boast about it. I'm just gonna let you see for yourself. So therefore, I put together a visual walkthrough for your enjoyment. But first, before I show you the home, I want to tell you a little bit about the house. This home was built in 1925. It is a colonial style home. It's a single family. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Not one, but 2 full baths. Not 1.5, but 2 full baths. I think you guys get the point now. Also, the square footage of this home is 2,087 square feet. How big and humongous is that? I mean, we're talking about a single family here. That is a lot of space. Also, this house has an outdoor in-ground pool. Summer's right around the corner, y'all, so you know that's gonna be useful. Wait, I don't wanna spoil it. So I'm going to just and let you guys walk through this home with me. Please join me as I walk through this beautiful and amazing home. Hi guys, welcome to Real Estate with Nima. Today I'm in Norton. I have this beautiful colonial house. It's a 3-bedroom. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I'm gonna walk you through the house, so please follow me. Wow. So as you walk in, you'll see that there's a beautiful stairs going up. Right over here, we have a partial dining room. Come along with me. And as you walk, there's a beautiful hall over here, and it brings you right into the kitchen. You can store your food there if you like. There's plenty of cabinets, as you can tell. We have a very spacious family room here. Well, now they have a nice TV. You can put a TV there if you like to as well. And also we have a fireplace over here. Right now it's holding woods. There's a beautiful bar area, I would say, over here. And you can serve yourself some drinks or your friends when they come over. And also there's a space behind over here for like a mini fridge if you like to. There's a mini fridge here. Right here in the beginning when you walk in, you have the option to go upstairs or the kitchen and the bathroom. But since we already did the kitchen, I'm gonna go over here and show you guys the bathroom. Right near the bathroom, you can come into the living room space. Spacious living room. You can fit as many couches in here as you want to. This is the most beautiful scenery ever because when you're in the living room, you can see outside. Like if your kids are outside playing the pool or whoever, you have family member over, friends, you can see them right from the window of the living room. From the living room, you walk right into the dining room. A fuller dining room where you can fit bigger tables. Right now they're using it as a kids playground and a mini office. You can turn this right back into a dining room and fit a big table if you want to, a small table, whatever accommodates your family. Now we're gonna move on to upstairs, guys. Follow along. Right when you get upstairs, you have the option to walk into the bedroom or the laundry room. I'm gonna take you over to the bedroom. Right now they have it as a nursery, which is so cute. Very, very big bedroom. You can definitely fit a queen size bed in here very comfortably, or you can make it into a nursery if you want. Right here they have a closet. Right near the first bedroom that I just showed you, there is a full bathroom as well. Right next to the bathroom, there is another bedroom. As you can see, they have a nice king size bed in here, so we'll definitely fit a king size bed. right next to the second bedroom, there's the third bedroom. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. These videos do not do it justice for how beautiful and amazing and spacious this house is. You will have to check it out in person for yourself. So please, I invite you this Sunday to come join me for an open house at 145 West Main Street in Norton, Massachusetts. I will have some yummy and delicious treats for you. I hope to see you there. Bye!